Shalom, 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 Yasharala. Back with another video real quick. Just something quick. I figure I should go ahead and just kind of film it. Just to kind of get some content out there and kind of show you guys what I do on the regular when I'm off of work and I'm not working. My bad. This camera's a little off-centered. Let me see if I can fix it. That's a little better. Yeah, so we're gonna be putting together some earrings real quick. Got earrings for an order. Let me see if I can focus on that. That's 12 tribes. 12 tribes earrings, engraved, cut, walnut, made out of walnut, right here in the house. So let me see. Focus back on me. There we go. There we go. All right. So yeah, we're gonna get these out as an order for a very special lady, Jessica. Appreciate you ordering that. We also got some other ones that I haven't put up on the site yet, but we've been working on them. So it's gonna be some pretty nice ones there. Walnut, black. Got a few other ones that I already made. Just got to get the photo shoot going a little bit later. I'll show you guys some of those in a second. But yeah, so got our box, our jewelry box. So all I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and get these started. So a lot of people are kind of intimidated. I was too at first. So this is very small. You probably won't be able to see it. But you got your jump ring. You got your jump ring there. And then you have your hoop or your hook, whatever one you want to use. And usually how I do this is you can go get 2 jewelry pliers, but I usually use these needle nose pliers. And I hold one in. You got to find the opening. You got to brace one end. So, like so. And then you hook up the other end. You just be very gentle. And basically what you're doing, you're only going to move one side. So, I'm going to move one side back, like so. You get one earring. Slide it on the jump loop. Decide how you want your earring to go. Well, I don't want it to go that way. I put it on the wrong way. Put it on like so. Once it's on, you take the same side that you moved and you simply move it back to the center. Release the other side. There you go. You're done. Now I'll wipe those off if I'm not using gloves, because I'm not using gloves right now. But before I actually package them up, wipe them off. A little bit of disinfectant, because the whole coronavirus going on. You want to make sure that everybody's protected as much as possible. So usually I'll give those a wipe down before sending them out. So we're going to do the same thing on this side as well. Now, at first I thought this was really hard. I want to start getting into making necklaces. To me, that seems a little intimidating, but again, it seems like everything that I've tried that I thought was intimidating is not intimidating at all. So I went the other way with the other one, so I want to go this way for the right side. And again, I do the same thing. Decide which way it's going to face. Put it on there. Move it back to center. Boom. And that's it. those are put together. Really, really easy. First, it took me a little while. You have to get the right size jump rings. You have to kind of know what size your earrings are going to be. And again, in a short amount of time, I wouldn't necessarily say I'm making profit off of my Glowforge, because I count profit as anything being over what you owe. And because I owe quite a lot because I bought the Glowforge, from the sales that I've generated using the Glowforge, it seems like it's on its way to paying itself off very, very quickly. Now, I kind of offset that a little bit earlier last week because I went ahead and I upgraded some pieces of equipment that I really, really needed, that I've been going a year without because, well, I didn't really have the money and it wasn't really the right time to do it. So I'm going to upgrade my heat press, and I'll make a video on that to let you guys know if you're interested in starting your own kind of t-shirt business and things like that. The different types of equipment you can go with that'll help you. But I'm going to upgrade my heat press. I'm not throwing this one away. I'm still going to use it as a backup, or if I need to run more than, I need to run jobs, or my wife can help me run the other one. She can be pressing shirts while I'm pressing shirts, keep it going. But I'm going to upgrade the heat press, and I also upgraded my Cricut Air 2 and got the Cameo Silhouette 4 Plus. Now, I've been wanting that for a little while. The 15-inch, I was kind of been back and forth if I was going to wait on the Pro. And the Pro is going to be a 20-inch cutter. But see, I thought the Pro would have come out already. With it being June, I'm going to be pretty upset if it comes out this month. Or by August, I'm kind of upset. But I got the 15-inch, the Plus, and I'm looking forward to it. I think 15 inches wide would be quite fine. Most heat presses, like I said, the heat press that I upgraded to is a 16 by 20. So as long as I have that dimension to cut with, I think I'll be fine, because a lot of the artwork that I have is already cut in a 12 by 16. What do you call it? I already have everything that I design for t-shirts is usually cut in a 12 by 16, like a pattern, not a pattern, but a plot, a stencil. Like, it has to fit in the 12 by 16 as much as possible. Doesn't mean that it has to be 12 inches high and 16 inches long. It just means that that's the standard to me for t-shirts, and it's got to fit in that. So that's why I'm upgrading, and this new press should be pretty dope, and it should last a long time. This heat press has lasted me quite a while. This is the Tussie. Let me see if I can show you. So this is the Tussie. This is from Amazon, and I think I got it for like at the time it was like $130. It probably went up in price a little bit by now, but 15 by 15, really good. It's dope. It works. And yeah, but now that we got these earrings done, talking your guys' heads off, we're done. We're gonna disinfect those, get them packaged up, send them out, and then I got a plethora of other earrings that I have been cutting on the Glowforge. Not only that, but we cut some really nice acrylic last night, and this is 1/4-inch acrylic. I don't know if I like this one necessarily for earrings. It's not heavy, but we're going to see on a photo shoot today how heavy it makes the ear droop. If it's too heavy, I won't use 1/4-inch. I'll just use it for like medallions or keychains. We'll go down to 1/8 of an inch, which would be like half as thin. And that might work better. You can see the difference between 1/8 of an inch wood and quarter of an inch acrylic. Big difference. So it's thicker, but it's not so much heavy. But we'll see. But we got things that I need to do that over there. There's so much going on, so little time to do it. I try to do all this work when I'm not at work. So literally when I'm off, I am still at work, but I enjoy this work because it's a passion and I love to do it. All praises to the Most High, Yahweh, Bashem, and Mashiach Yahweh Shai. I love it. I love it. And if I can do this full time, which I'm hoping very, very soon, I'll be very, very grateful to step down on my other job, my 9 to 5, and doing this. Because it's really tough. Like, I've been doing 12-hour shifts for quite a while now. I mean, especially with the pandemic at the hospital, everybody's got to put in some of that overtime. And I've been doing 12-hour shifts, 6 12s and an 8 for each pay period. And usually on my days off is when I really get to go hard and get these orders completed, shipped out, and sent out. And that's where I do most of my work, because on the days that I'm working 12s, it's like I get home from going in at 7:30 at night to 7 in the morning, or whatever I'm working, and then you gotta freaking try to stay up, and it's so hard, it's tough, and usually I end up just going to sleep, waking back up with just enough time to spend with the family before I gotta get dressed again, go back to work, and it's just constant. So look forward to those days off, and hopefully I really don't want to do that anytime soon for the long haul. So hopefully this turns into an opportunity where I can work from home with my business, do it full time, and enjoy life a little bit more than how it's been going for I don't even know how long. So anyway, tired of rambling. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.